Hey there, food enthusiasts. Today we're cooking up a delightful recipe that'll warm you from the inside out. Reed Salad's 3-bean tortellini minestrone. Get ready for a family favorite that's as quick to make as it is delicious. Now, let's kick off the cooking adventure. Add olive oil to a heated pan. Toss in the diced onions and garlic and a pinch of salt to season and saute until they're beautifully translucent. Now, let's intensify the flavors by adding in Italian seasoning and black pepper. Time to bring in the veggies. Toss in the carrots, celery, and zucchini along with another pinch of salt. Cook until they're just right, tender yet crisp. Tomato time! Pour them in and let the magic unfold. Vegetable broth is our next hero. Bring it to a boil and now, the piece de resistance, cheese tortellini. Bet you wish you had smell-o-vision. Now let's welcome back our 3-bean salad and a handful of fresh spinach into the mix. Cook for a couple more minutes. We're almost there. Season the soup to perfection, and voila! Reed Salad's 3-bean tortellini minestrone. Stay tuned for more quick and tasty recipes from Reed Salads.